Hey guys, it's Sean from RecPro.com. Thanks for joining us for this installment of our video blog series, Do Yourself Storage Tips. Now, one of the things that's important when you're in your RV is making sure that you take the best advantage and most advantage of the space that you have, because real estate in an RV is hard to come by. So little tips that'll help you save space and give you more space are always good. Now, one of the first things that you can do inside of the restroom area of your RV is to hang your toiletries. I know it's really popular to have the little stands and things like that, but if you can take your toiletries and hang them up and out of the way, like your towels or your toilet paper, it'll save on ground space and it'll make things a lot easier for you as far as access goes. Another thing you can do is not leave your waste baskets out. In the kitchen area, bathroom area, bedroom area, wherever it's at, if you can take your waste baskets, put them underneath the counter, you will actually give yourself some appreciable amounts of cubic feet within your RV. And last but not least is to create counter space. Now, a lot of people don't think about this because they don't consider the fact that they need more counters and that they can actually put up counters in their RV. But if you simply get some heavy duty shelf supports and put them into the wall, and make sure you consult your owner's manual and talk to the manufacturers to make sure about when you're installing things, how to do it properly, you can create a lot of counter space for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe below.